How's it going, everyone? Welcome back. Let's dive right into today's crypto update because things are really starting to heat up. As you can see here, from what you may have seen, a lot of people are saying that you have to stay calm. It is only going to get better before it gets worse. But, little update, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin is back to around $114,000. Let me sign BTC. See, it's 114 right now. It was at 113 something just a while ago. And Ethereum has recovered above the $4,100 after it briefly dipped under $4,000. So Ethereum back up to 4,100. It dipped a little bit below the 4,000. Everything's looking pretty good. Total cryptocurrency market cap is climbing towards the 4 trillion mark, which is that's where you want it to be, over the 4 trillion. So the big question is, are we seeing a true reversal or just another fake out? Is this the last big fake out before the euphoria happens, right? That leg up, that massive gains, all that goodness, right? Bitcoin dominance. Let's see, Bitcoin dominance sits around 58%. Historically, September is when the dominance finds its low point, and then in October, dominance normally jumps up 5 to 10%. That means we could soon see Bitcoin pushing above the 60% dominance, signaling that we are in the final Bitcoin led phase of this cycle, right? Once it goes above 60%, some things are going to happen. Very good things are going to happen. But we also have altcoins. Most of my bags are in altcoins. And a lot of you guys probably also have a lot of your portfolio in maybe altcoins. Altcoins are not collapsing, but they are clearly lagging behind Bitcoin. Ethereum is holding steadily, but the big momentum right now is Bitcoin. That's what altcoins are waiting for. History shows that a true altcoin season usually comes after Bitcoin reaches its peak, so patience is key here. Now, everyone has their favorite altcoins. One of my favorites is ABT, LCX, PNG. I mean, LCX is just, I've just been DCAing into this mother trucker for the last maybe monthish, because why not? I brought my average down from like $1.50 to like 80 cents right now, so it's doing pretty good. And I have very, very high hopes for ABT. Now, this seems like a bear trap setup. At the moment, sentiments across the market feel very bearish, right? A lot of people are hurting. But that's often when the best opportunities appear. For example, ABT. This setup looks like a classic bear trap, right? Something to scare people out of selling their bags just to come back when they see that, hey, guess what? They're doing pretty good. So, short term fear before a major run higher and higher to newer tops. We're already seeing higher lows on the charts, and higher highs may not be that far away. Sui's another one. I'm not in Sui, but a lot of YouTubers talk about Sui. I mean, yeah, all I see is green, right? All I see is green. And then we have Toshi. Toshi's a good one too. I bought a pretty small bag of Toshi. Let's just leave it at Turbo. Turbo, there you go. Now, with all this, the real, deciding factor on when we're going to see this crazy leg up and Bitcoin's going to shoot up, the biggest wild card is Jerome Powell and the Federal Reserve. If they cut interest rates in October, that would be very bullish for Bitcoin and for altcoins heading into the fourth quarter. If they do not cut, then the cycle may stretch into early 2026, Q1. But either way, it does not break the overall bullish trend. We will have an altcoin season. It may take a little bit longer. Just be like me. Forget about your turbo. Forget about your ABT. Forget about everything that you have. Maybe not forget about it so soon right now, because any day now it could just shoot up. Now, where can Bitcoin go? What's Bitcoin? Bitcoin's at 114K. Even the top? The top is 120. Just say 123K, right? 123K. My personal view is that Bitcoin will top the cycle around 150,000. Many people are calling $200,000 or more, but diminishing return, it is a real thing. Each cycle offers smaller multiples than the one before. In the long run, of course, Bitcoin can eventually hit 200K, 300K, even $1 million, but it's not going to be this cycle. I don't care what you say, unless you can control an infinite amount of money, then you might get it to $1 million, but you never know, right? You never know. People are crazy. So, strategy and mindset for this sea of red. Whether you are dollar cost averaging or simply holding, the key is patience, right? Have the resolve. Retail investors always come rushing back the moment the market starts showing strength. Those who prepare now instead of chasing later will be in the best positions when momentum returns. If you see any videos right now, everyone's going to be telling you the same exact thing. Just wait. Dollar cost average. It's not so bad. You will thank yourself if you just wait through this dip and just wait, brother. Just wait. Brother, sister, whatever you want to call yourself, I don't care. But final thoughts, Bitcoin is leading the market right now. Altcoins will have their turn later. October looks like a breakout month for Bitcoin dominance. It's normally what it is. And remember, short-term fear often sets up the next big move. This is all it is. It is a manipulation tactic. And if you are bullish and ready for the next leg up, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments what altcoins you are holding. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy these crypto bubbles. Bubbles. See? It's not too bad. It's really bad if you go in the day. Maybe the week. You got some green. Let's go to the year. The year's not too bad. But yeah, I'm heading off. Signing off. Be on the lookout for more videos. I'll do an update video on my XRP video. I bought $100 worth when it was at like 50 cents. I think it was like $50 worth. I don't know. But yeah, see you around.